Hi guys, here's how I make my omelette for breakfast. Hope you like it and make it your own. So here's how I make it, guys. I use 2 eggs per person. You crack your eggs, put it in a bowl, and then add pepper. I'm using dried Cameroon pepper. You can use any pepper that you like. Just sprinkle a little bit to your taste. I add salt. I use Himalayan salt. So add to your taste. So now I use my whisk to whisk it, mix all the ingredients. Once you're done, add your oil to your skillet, turn your heat to the medium, and then pour this egg into the skillet and then let it heat for a little bit. Cut up your onions real good. You could use any amount. I don't have a specific quantity. Just cut it up, whatever you have, and then add it to your eggs. Add it real good. So next thing I do is cut up my green peppers. I love green peppers, so cut it up, add it into the eggs, and then now is the time for spinach. You could use kale or spinach, any of them. So I just cut it up, let the egg simmer a little bit. Okay guys, so you see right now I've already added my spinach into the eggs and I've turned off the heat. It is time to yummy. So you just dish it out. Prior to this video I already made plantains, so I just put it in the plate and then I add my plantains to it, and ta-da, I have my breakfast. So you can eat with avocado, with bread. My kids love to eat it with bread. So there you go. Come and eat. Okay, so like I said, my kids eat it with bread. For me, I don't eat bread, so I just eat my eggs with my spinach. It is yummy. You can take this down with tea, juice, milk, whatever you like, okay? Try this with your family. You're gonna love it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share to the world. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.